This secret website I will show you guys in this video will actually pay you money every day just to test apps on your phone. Now, one of the interesting things about this particular platform is the fact that only a few persons actually know about this website, plus the fact that it's available worldwide. It does not matter what device that you use, as there are thousands of Android and Apple apps to be tested every single day, and this is possible because lots of companies and individuals are building apps on a daily basis. As a matter of fact, I actually just finished a meeting with my team for the next app that we are building, and I will be paying people on this website as well to test this app for me. This is because before any app is accepted on either Google or Apple Store, you need to test and make sure that it meets certain criteria, which is why developers are paying lots of money on this particular website to ordinary and real people just like yourself to test their apps to ensure that they function optimally before they make it accessible to the wider market. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys this secret platform that a lot of these developers actually use in order to find real users to test different applications, and they pay you every day. Like I said earlier, this is not popular, which is why it is very profitable, and I'll be revealing this website to only people who are interested at some point in this particular video. So if you are really interested, make sure you watch this video from beginning to the very end, because I do not want this website to become saturated. Now, before we continue, if you are seeing me for the very first time, my name is Gerald and I make videos around making money online, which is why I encourage you to hit the like button so this video gets shown to a lot more persons who are interested in making money online. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so that you get notified once I drop amazing videos just like what you're about to watch right now. That way you can actually join the online hustle family, which has almost 400,000 subscribers as at the time I'm recording this video. Now, one of the things I find mind-blowing about this particular platform is the fact that it works in every country in the world. And you also get an exclusive look at new and innovative apps from leading companies. Some of these apps should actually help you make money online, and jumping in first gives you a good advantage. From my personal experience, signing up on this particular platform is very easy, and all you need to do is to fill in your profile information. You also need to let them know the kind of devices that you have, and the more devices that you have, the better for you, because this means that I can actually send more and different tests your way, which is why I have an Android device and of course an Apple device as well. There is also an onboarding process where they provide you with testing resources. So this is our secret website, and you can see that this website has actually been around for the past 10 years, over a decade as a matter of fact. Right? A decade is actually 10 years, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to set up an account on this website, how to do everything that you need to do, and of course I'm also going to be showing you guys exactly how to withdraw your earnings when you actually made money on this particular platform. So for those of you who come to my comments and say, Gerald, how do they pay? I'm going to be answering that question as well in today's video. So the first thing you need to do is to come here and click on become a tester, because the whole idea is that you're going to be testing mobile apps and you're going to be making money. And guess what, guys? You are going to be doing that with your mobile phone, whether Apple or Android. Right? So I'm going to come here right now and click on where it says become a tester, and it is going to bring me to this interface. Now, on that right here, under join our freelance testing community, I click on become a tester, and it is going to bring me to this interface. So right here, what you need to do is put your email address right here, put in password, and hit create an account, and that's what I need to do. And once you do that, a code is going to be sent to your email. Copy that code and put it in the next frame that you're going to be seeing. And once you do that, you're going to be creating an account. But for me, I already have an account, so I'm going to be logging into my account right now. So I'm going to come here and hit sign in and sign into my account. And that's the first thing that you need to do. So guys, while we're being signed in, if you're getting anything from this video, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video if you've not done that already. Subscribe to my channel if you've not done that. And most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you notification instantly. And if you have any question at all, let me know in the comment section. Just go ahead and say thank you, Gerald, in the comment section. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be liking that comment in the comment section. So it has logged me in, and you see here it says successfully authenticated from 0 account. So there are certain things that you can actually do on this platform, right? I mentioned the onboarding process in the beginning of this video, and this is where it says onboarding steps. So we have actually created an account. The next thing you need to do is that they have provided courses, training materials to help you get started with testing apps and exactly how it works. So what you need to do is to click on this start course and take this bug reproduction, right? This is a course that shows you how to reproduce other testers' bugs in a good way to learn, right? So what you need to do is to click on start course and actually take your time and go through this course. It's completely free. Now there are 10 pages right here. So what you need to do is that this is going to take you about 30 minutes to complete this, and click on next and next and next to actually complete. Now I'm going to go to the second one, and once you're done with this one, what you need to do is to come here and take this exploratory testing course. So you click on start course and actually take this 4 modules course, right? Once you've done that, that qualifies you to actually start the testing job on this this particular website using your phone alone. Now, some of the questions that you might have is how do you get paid? I'm going to be showing that to you guys in a little while. So you're going to come here right now. You can actually invite somebody to actually earn money. So click on this link. Copy this your link and invite your friends to join this website and actually earn money doing that. Now, there's also an academy right here where you're going to be learning a lot of things, right? When it comes to this, as a matter of fact, mobile app testing industry is actually a very big industry on the internet today, right? And if you actually focus on it, you are going to be making a lot of money. As a matter of fact, there are other websites that offer this kind of opportunities. Let me know in the comment section if you're actually interested, and I will make more videos on those other websites. So you learn here, right? And you can actually implement this on all these other websites using just your mobile phone from home. If you actually want to learn that, let me know in the comment section, or I will not hesitate to actually get that done for you guys. So there are development tools collection, there are articles and stuff that I can actually go through to understand how this actually does work, a lot better. So I'm going to come back right here. These are activities that you've done, your devices. This is where you actually put your devices. I told you guys you're going to be telling them devices that you have so that they know the kind of test actually send your way. So I click on devices, it's going to bring me right here. You can click here and add your first device. For me, you have a computer, you're going to select it. Have a smart TV, of course, select it. You have a smartphone, select it. Streaming, select. Tablet, select. You have a watch, just like mine, a wearable watch. Select that as well and add your devices, right? So make sure you add every device that you have. Like I mentioned earlier, the more devices you have, the more opportunities you're going to be getting because they're going to be sending a lot more apps your way to actually test, and that means a lot more money for you at the end of the day. So I'm going to close this right now. The next thing is billing. Now, these are people that are actually paid on this website. That is not for you, so leave this alone. So this is notifications and this is setting. Let me show you guys how to get paid. But before that, I want to encourage you guys again, if you've not done that already, to make sure you hit the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. Now, it's also important that you actually click on the share button, right, and copy the link of this video and share with your friends, share it on WhatsApp or your WhatsApp groups, everywhere. Just trust people, make sure that you actually get this particular video so they can learn and stop begging you for urgent 2K, as the case may be. This is my information that I actually feel that when I actually created my account. So you're going to be doing the same thing. You can select your gender, right? Select your gender. If you're male, you're female, of course, put it right here. Your hobbies. Do you have a driver's license? You say yes or no if you do have a driver's license. Language that you speak, English and other language, put it here. You see my country is actually right here. So every country in the world is actually represented. You can also update your address. So I'm going to come here, skills and experience. Make sure you actually fill out your skills, your experience, and all of those things. It's also okay to twist it a little bit. It's completely fine, right? So this is payout data. This is how you are going to get paid, and it's actually very important that you actually pay close attention to this particular place right now. So on this particular platform, you have to add your payout method right here, right? And the good thing is that every country in the world is actually represented. So you must not have a PayPal account actually to get started. So I'm going to come here and hit add payout, right? Individual, registered business, whichever that you are. For me, I'm an individual, so I'm going to select individual. Put in my name, my first name, my last name, my email address, my date of birth right here. Select my country. You see my country is here, right? I'm sure your country is right here as well. So go to this list and select your country. So I'm going to say my country is selected. My address is right here, everything. Then we're going to click on next. Right, once you click on next, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now, you can actually get paid through bank transfer, which is what I would actually encourage you if you're in a country where PayPal is not allowed. If you're in a country where PayPal is allowed, please select PayPal and put in your PayPal email address, and that's where you get paid. So for me right now, this is a processing time for bank transfer in 5 to 6 business days, which is fine. Right, estimated fees, you have to earn at least $7 before you can actually withdraw your money. And right here, this is where you put in your SWIFT or BIC code for your bank. So call your bank and ask for their SWIFT or BIC code and put that right here. You can put in your bank address right here, put in your bank city right here, your region or the states where your bank is domiciled, put it right here. Your account number, which is a 10-digit account number if you are from my country, put it right here. Right, if you select another country, it will show you the account number of that particular country. This is where you're going to put it right here. And the account name, which is your name, as it shows on your bank statement, you're going to put it right here and click on add, and that's all you need to do, right? And this money get paid to your local bank account in your local country easily, right? But like I said, it's important that you take action right now. And I told you guys I'm going to be revealing this particular website to only people who are actually interested. So this website is called test.io, and the first link in my video description will actually bring you to this interface. And once you land on this website, you can do exactly what I've done. I'm going to be getting the exact same result, guys. So I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for watching the video from beginning to the very end. If you have any question at all, let me know in the comment section, as I'm not going to be hesitating to answer all of your questions. Okay, just go ahead and say thank you, Gerald, for this video on how to actually make money online. I would appreciate it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be liking that comment. So again, thank you guys for watching the video from beginning to the very end. Until I see my next video, guys, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.